So if you guys are holders of Mara stock, you guys already know the market went down. It crashed yesterday in price, maybe around 13%, 12.69%. We're going to talk about that today in the market, see if Mara is going to continue to go lower, or could this be seen as a buying opportunity. You guys can see that Mara currently is in a bull market. It's a bull run currently in Mara. So even though the price in one day went down 12.69%, you guys can see how big and how massive this current trend is in Mara. I mean, when you look at this lower term trend line, the price is even breaking away from that. So it continues to confirm how bullish this particular market is right now in Mara. So even though we've seen a drastic move down 13%, doesn't mean all hope is lost. So we're going to try to pinpoint though what's going to happen next into Mara. So let's go get rid of this line here because that's no longer resistance. And you guys can see our current price prediction, which we produced on the 16th of November. Looking for Mara to go up. It broke that area on December the 1st, 24.54% there. And now we need to talk about, first of all, the market is breaking out. Okay. Now, I don't think the market's going to continue to hold that trend. That is unsustainable. Okay. Unsustainable. So we're not even going to harp on that particular trend there. The other trend may actually be like here. Okay, this seems even more apparent, more relevant. Now, we're far away from that line too as well. Maybe, let's see, 20%, 22%. And then the lower trend, we're around 35%. So that just shows you how bullish this particular market is. Here it is on the 2-day chart for Mara. Now, look at this though. We closed here on this 2-day price bar, the high, and we opened around like $15.60. That's a very wide range, a gap, to where the market couldn't find any buyers. Like the next price that the market came to consensus was right here on the open, $15.67. When the prior 2 days, the market closed at $16.78. That sounds weird. So this area will have to be seen as selling, or at least lack of demand. No one wants to come in and purchase this currency in that rectangle that I've created. Here it is on the 3-day chart. This tells me that the market is definitely weak. When you look at the last 2 3-day price bars, the market in Mara, volume has increased massively. And look at the 2 price bars. Does it look bullish to you or bearish? To me, it looks bearish, especially when you consider the last 3 days. Okay. Let's look at this on the 5-day chart. We may actually see the market in Mara try to hold support in this range. We might find buyers there. So let me put that there because I want us to see that as a reference point in my analysis. Here it is on the weekly time frame. Very, very positive week right there. Strength, close on the high of the bar. Somebody came through and felt that price needed to start on this weekly bar at $15.67. Okay, so let's look at this on the hourly time frame real quick. Just trying to see if there's any demand entering the market in Mara. And currently it's a little bit, but not drastic. So yeah, here's a buy zone right there. Okay, just like they did here when the market in Mara came down. So I'm going to prepare for a slight move to the downside in Mara right now, especially on the 3-day and the 5-day time frame. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart and we'll be finished. So my first target is not that far though. Like we're already, what, $14.25. That's 3.28% there. Not bad at all. Second target is going to be at the low or in between this sell zone. I mean, this buy zone here, $14 to $13.60. That is 7.10% move there. And then the last target would be around like $12.74, 13% move there. Okay. And as long as I do see Mara's price, let's give her this. As long as I see Mara hitting its head on this sell zone up here at the top, it's going to continue to let me know that the market is still weak. Now, once I see price break this sell zone to the upside, or at least I see strength within this zone, then I will have to come through and cancel out this current price prediction, look for the market to continue to go higher. Okay. So that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.